this, just so we
Sure.
can unblock what needs to be. Okay, thank you, Mitch.
Sure.
Back to you, Brandon.
Oh, I was done. I'm gonna call him Eric.
Yay, thank you. Let's see. So, da-da-da. Yesterday merged in 16648, and then took 16700. As Brendan noted regarding that, the automation modal, I realized that this ticket was created by Resolve for as a sub defect, substory defect, and I think because this might be from dirty data. Do we actually want to manipulate the text to be displayed correctly? I'm not too sure, but in the meantime, the PR is there. It's since it's for display purposes, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But it's assigned to Tim for now, as Brendan has approved it. And then I started working on 16567. I may need some assist on that later on, trying to interpret the CWQI developer guide pre-check. And yeah, I will move on to Tim.
Tim, there.
Sorry, I was talking to you. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yep. Yep.
Okay, cool. Yeah, sorry, I was talking on mute. So yeah, yesterday I was working on ESS 16513. I have that done, so I'm just going to create have that development done, so I'm going to create PR for that one. I can stand up. From there, I do have some code reviews assigned to me to take a look at, so I'll be taking a look at those two. And from there, I'll take a look at what else from the sprint I could take. Though looks like I could take it. I could also continue working on ESS 15916 because it looks like the one of the main blockers has been finished. Yeah, and since that, yeah, nothing much else after that. From there, I could pass it on to Chris.
Hi. I see this blog that was created about 10 or 15 minutes ago by Fazal. It's in RC 4.14.3. I'm unable to reproduce it. It's ESS 16722.
Here, here, to
16722.
yeah, I'm just gonna go to the release itself.
Okay. It's not tagged with a fixed version.
Oh, it's not. Okay.
No.
Okay. 16772, you said?
16722.
Okay.
You're not having trouble saving?
No, I can edit. I can create new. I don't know if anyone else can repro.
Wait, I had reproed this yesterday.
Did you? In RC?
Yeah.
Oh, there. Okay, I got it to error.
Okay.
It's there's something wrong
Yeah.
on the API side with the initial service status column.
Yeah.
This is something that we can fix, but it is an API story. So if you want to send it to the API team.
I feel like that would take longer.
Yeah, we can fix this fine.
Okay. I'll go ahead and tag a fixed version on there. Okay, thank you for that. Let's see, I did my interqual copy review presentation to Beth Wilcox. That went well. I'm getting together notes to pull back the solutioning group together. I'm going to add a couple people to that group. Today we have intake. We've got a brief meeting with QA and Brandon after this about some of the performance enhancement tickets. And we'll probably groom those today at the grooming session. Other than that, I'm continuing to work ahead on our 416 must-have items that I'm currently aware of.
And
Uh,
I just heads up,
huh?
I will have to miss our grooming the day. I've got to take my wife to get a cortisone shot.
Sure, no worries. I'll pass to Jonathan.
Good morning. So I am working with Trey on an unexpected interqual server certification problem. And there's always something going on, something to keep us on our toes. I don't think it's affecting, well, actually, I don't know what it's affecting, but Trey and I are working on it and will hopefully be resolved later today. And I have a number of meetings, but other than that, nothing really going on. It's several hours worth of open time that I'll be working on other MCG and interqual items. Give me a call if you need me. And with that, I'm going to pass it on to, let's see, Eric, Tim.
Oh, he went already.
He did. Well, then Liz put her hand up, so let's
There
go
we
for
go.
Liz.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sorry about that, Tim. I missed your stunningly interesting meeting. Sorry. Okay, now that just sounded sarcastic. I'm really putting my foot in my mouth. I'm just going to be quiet.
I am currently reviewing a PR for Brian Zhang. Once I'm done with that, I have a couple meetings, and that's about it. So please let me know if there's anything else I can help with. And I don't think Mario has gone yet, right?
Mario is not gone.
अम्मी आवाज थोड़ी कम करें मैं बात कर रहा हूँ
Have a meeting today, but that's something I can probably help out with. Or not doing a policy with MCG, and Eric's working on it. That's just let me know.
Thank you, sir. Great step.
All right, so I'm gonna be the last one today. Cool. Not in a
Actually,
bad way. Just I'm
Zal joined,
Oh,
so he's actually
yep,
gonna be
that's
last.
true. That's true. Okay. All right. So yeah, as Brandon said, we were pairing a little bit on this ticket. And we will probably be pairing again a little bit after and trying to figure some stuff out for it. Also, Tim mentioned liking the idea of keeping hands raised for those who haven't gone yet, and I do too because we have it every morning where we aren't sure who all has gone and who all hasn't, or if we've come late. And just putting that out there again, I think that's a really good idea. That way, everybody knows who has and hasn't gone because when you go, you put your hand down, and when you come into the meeting, you can just put it up right away. Anyways, that's it for
It's a
me.
good idea. It's a good idea, Scott. I agree.
Yeah. Okay. There was one other thing. What was it? Oh, okay. For part of this ticket, real quick, there will be some cleanup that should happen in the API, and so I think maybe there should be another ticket made, Chris, for as a follow-up for this one for the backend team.
Created the bug.
Okay.
But yeah, that's it for me. So Bazal, take it away.
Thank you, Stephanie. Good morning. So yesterday I worked on 16656 and I connected with Brandon. I think he mentioned about this one. And so I created a bug that Chris mentioned, 16722. This is a currently existing bug and it is blocking the progress for the ticket 16656. So that is that.
Was all it shouldn't block that ticket.
Oh, it should not? Is
No,
it
these are
able to save?
unrelated things. Yeah, as long as you don't choose a system event.
Okay. Okay, so let me go ahead and try that, and I will follow up on that. And as far as the wanted to know about the other two, 15999, if this one is ready to test, and 16000, I think Derek mentioned that it had some other bad data, then maybe I can try with some of the data and see if this one would work. But I think 15999 is blocked. It has the same issue, I think, with the save. Then
Yeah,
I
so it sounds like a discussion needs to happen on that. I think Metchy will fill you in, and you may need to discuss with Brandon just kind of particulars on this. It sounds like the modal changes have kind of rendered this um, obsolete. Thank you. The requirements for these are basically obsolete. So Brandon can advise and Metchy can advise on that. You know, sync up with them.
okay, sure.
Cool.
Yeah, and other than that, I have the first meeting with SCHFP implementation, so more to come on that. So I will be keeping everyone in the loop. And that's all from my side.
Thank you. So, all right, folks, we are out of time. Got to jump. Please reach out if there's anything you need. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, John.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.